is your first lady Shelly Expressions, and guess what? This Sunday on Sunday Night Line, we are going to be talking about the crowning of Vibes Cartel. Yeah, although we got being still, but I don't know being man a my king, don't it? We have that to talk about, and also Massacre stating that this is his final year on stage for Sumfest. We're gonna talk about this and more on Sunday Night Live at 8 p.m. this Sunday. We're gonna be at Willis Thatch Roof, 115A Malines Road. If you want to come and join us, just to lime, listen to little music and have a drink, come on down. We are going to be there at 8 p.m. Well, we're there from 7 still at 1 5 and chill, but you know the live starts at 8 p.m. So tune in and come join us right here, Sunday Night Live, Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you there.
No, we don't have Milton, and we don't have no information.
I still not get why Mr. Moniz gave the order. If Milton did get a chance to go back to him handler, we would have been at a big disadvantage.
Oh, and handler would have known so on to them.
And Milton would have inside information that he could pass on to his superior. We couldn't take the risk. See, it was necessary. I understand. This is why I don't like discuss assignments, because at times it pulled down and you might not understand.
She might not understand. But moreover, is why we have to make certain decisions.
And I say, I not understand, I just wish the assignment can go through without any casualties. Just understand this. When it reached this, that means we have exhausted all possibilities.
You know, say sometimes you move like a weak heart.
Wow. Because me I hope for the best for that.
No hope none of this. We lay out strategic plans and follow them. Open for normal people when I plan for nothing at all. Strong up your meds, man.
Before all things, we are human first, yeah? And then we become agents. So I know what you are talking about. All right. Oh, no bother with the petty arguing. The two of you have a point. Whisper right tea. You have to know the feel your inner and prepare your mind to take on the task. And Toniann right whisper. When she say, we are humans first. We can't lose ourselves in our job to the point where we can't make rational decisions. This is why balance is important. We're on the right side of the law, and we can't forget that.
More of us in a boss. But more she for understand say this is a quick thinking job. The minute where she have to take second guess something, that might be
Whisper, listen to me. If me the second guess when Daja coming at my house, I would have here. I know what the job requires. That no means I could put my humanity aside.
alright. As long as you're over. Because this is not for the weak of her.
Talking about this Daja brother, want to find out about him? Him have a big link, and him have 2 profiles, but one of them buried. Really?
So you check the cable company where I'm saying work for?
Yeah, that they check out. So, what about the call where them claim say you make to them? Well, them say them see it in them system, some of box never that work. So them send somebody.
So I never you call again.
The story change, sir. Somebody at work overtime. So who is this guy really? Him a part of the Queen's crew. Queen's crew?
Silver crew.
Oh, it makes sense now. If him link with Siva, that means him know daily. But I can't find out for connect them. No, don't underestimate daily though.
I'm smart, brother, man. You know what I do.
See, you put surveillance on him? Yeah, but him disappear off of the grid. I don't know what happened.
As soon as him rise him head, make sure so we know every move when he make.
One step ahead, I don't know. I tell German say, we'll make sure say him keep him on the radar. Alright. Whisper, you talk to Patsy?
Yeah. And it never too pleasant.
When you say not too pleasant, what you mean?
Bossy, for some reasons, she never take it serious. So I tell her I say I don't think we can trust her again. As it look like she not over the gravity of the situation.
You know though, if you and I are never together, maybe she would have in a lockup.
That's the part I really think she not understand.
Cause she gonna tell me about the last thing what she remember is we broke in her house and taking her.
So, she did still defend him?
Yeah.
When I have to defend my job and defend my youth.
So me just go and sing it out for him.
My son, that's the price we have to pay for the job that we do. See, how Kareem, how him handle the situation with the shooting. That is a story by itself. The most I can tell is that him never take it well. And him gone back on the cruise. Well, no worry yourself. In the next 6 to 8 months, when him come back, all you do is just put it on him. Yeah. And put it on proper. Anything in that fridge, country? Just in there. You know, say Bubbles right? Bubbles right, you know? You can just wait when he come back. I'ma just put it on him. Yeah, and make sure say it better this time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come here.
No, fine.
Yeah. Yeah, something I want to tell you.